So now I'm in the GoPro. For a quick second, jumping into my car. What are they? How may I adjust this to it? I can go up more and I see it? Yeah. Oh.
You think it'll shift sideways? Let me see if the one can work. I want to step out of it.
Just put that because you're tired, you know. Your foot them long.
Same thing with this one I can't move. You know.
Alright, you cool man, I can't still work with it. Alright, you're good. I have no problems. Back at it again. Good one. Yeah. Can move? Eh? It in a park or something? So I'm gonna take you to the park. Oh. See it? Alright. snap. Let me switch the camera. Oh, bro. Yeah, so Jack, Jill, and Bill. You can see the three of them. I'm using the GoPro, guys, so the quality might not be so good, but I hope you guys can see. But this here.
Yeah, man, straight from the mountain also lead to the second largest river.
Yeah.
The Cabita River.
Oh. Oh.
They do White River rafting and also tubing down below.
Yeah. Yeah. Seems good. Seems legit. Check it out, man. It's pretty serene. Seems like it's gonna rain again. It's pretty legit. Get a quick wash off here. Wash my hands off like Richie. Yeah. All right, so I pulled out the other camera just for you guys so you guys could see in better quality. So Jack, Jill, and Bill. Yeah? The three of them, you guys can see them there, right? This is the water in better quality. This is the ATV. Got really messed up, you know. I went through the waters really good, like him. He was killing it.
Yeah,
you feel me? Sliding it all around, yo, and it's really fun. It's really fun, yo. This is not my first experience ATVing, but this is probably the most engaging one, because this one has a lot more like water parts to go through and get splashed up. So that was legit, and Richie has been freaking awesome, man. I don't know. So that was a little bit more dirty, but we took a quick wash off down there. The water is like super cold. Quick wash off, like just washing my arms off and stuff. Now we're heading back into the ATV, and we have another stop, or we're heading straight back home.
Another stop where we normally stop for about 15 minutes, where you could get to see the cotton tree, where the cotton tree is like 500 years old, you know, and some other rest of tree also around where it's like 300 years old, you know?